Students, in this video we will discuss about exercise 11.4. Now, first question in exercise 11.4. Evaluate the following: 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. First question: 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. This is the question. So here tan is a ratio of sin and cos. Secant is reciprocal of cos. Cot is ratio of cos and sin. Cosecant is reciprocal of sin. First convert that, which is equal to 1 plus tan can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta since secant is reciprocal of cos. Next 1 plus cot is the ratio of cos and sin minus cosecant is reciprocal of sin. Now here denominator, see these both are like fractions. 1 into cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 whole by cos theta, and this becomes 1 into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by single denominator sin theta. Now observe numerators. Here up to here, see cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta. Here plus 1 minus 1. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula of a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. Here a means cos theta plus sin theta. B is 1. Now apply the formula. A square. What is a here? Cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus b square. What is b value? 1 by denominators. Multiply denominators. Cos theta into sin theta. Here it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula: a square plus 2ab plus b square. First a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is a trigonometric identity which is equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, which is equal to 2 cos theta sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Now in numerator denominator both terms cos into sin get cancelled, which is equal to 2. Next, second question: sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Here it is in the form of a plus b whole square. It is a minus b whole square. What are the formulas? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here a means sin and b means cos. Apply the formula: a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab, 2 sin theta into cos theta plus a minus b whole square, a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab, 2 sin theta into cos theta. Here plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta get cancelled, and it is a sin square plus cos square value is 1, and here sin square plus cos square is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Next, third question: secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. We know trigonometric identities. secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Here onwards, secant square minus 1. So transposes 1 to LHS and tan square to RHS. Then it will becomes secant square theta is equal to plus 1 becomes secant square plus 1 becomes minus 1 is equal to minus tan square becomes plus tan square theta. From here onwards, cosecant square minus 1. So transpose 1 to LHS and cot square to RHS, which implies cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Now substitute instead of secant square minus 1 and cosecant square minus 1. Secant square minus 1 can be written as tan square theta and this can be written as cot square theta. Tan and cot both are reciprocals. Product of reciprocals is 1. Next, second problem. Show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So let us take LHS, left hand side, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosecant can be written as 1 by sine, cot can be written as cos by sine. 1 by sine minus cos theta by sine theta whole square. So here both are like fractions, single denominator sine theta, 1 minus cos theta whole square. So split the square for both the numerator and denominator. Now sine square can be written as 1 minus cos square, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta. Instead of sin square we substituted. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So here 1 minus cos theta whole square, just split that. A square can be written as a into a. So 1 minus cos theta whole square can be written 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by, it is in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Now 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta get cancelled, which is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We take an LHS and finally we proved RHS, which we want to prove. Hence proved. LHS equal to RHS. Third sum. Show that root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A. 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A. Take LHS, root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Rationalize the denominator by rationalizing denominator. What is rationalizing? Simply change the symbol, which is equal to root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus, here minus is there, just to change the symbol, 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Here rationalizing factor of 1 minus sin A. Here I told rationalizing the denominator. Then check out denominator. What is denominator? 1 minus sin A. What is the rationalizing factor of 1 minus sin A? Simply change the symbol. Minus can be changed as plus. 1 plus sin theta. So this is the rationalizing factor for denominator. Multiply with that factor both numerator and denominator. Now which is equal to 1 plus sin A, numerators into numerators. 1 plus sin A by denominators. 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Now observe numerators. A plus B into A plus B. A plus B into A plus B. A plus B whole square. 1 plus sin A whole square by denominator A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square. A means here 1 square minus B square sin square theta. Sin square A. Root of. So 1 square is 1. 1 minus sin square can be written as cos square. Since sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square A. So which is equal to root of 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square can be written as cos square A. Now split the root for both numerator and denominator. Sin A whole square by root of cos square A. Now root square get cancelled, here root square get cancelled, which is equal to 1 plus sin A by cos A. Now split numerator, which is equal to 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. So 1 by cos A, reciprocal of cos secant A plus ratio of sin and cos is nothing but tan A. Check out secant A plus tan A, which is equal to RHS. Next, fourth problem. Show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. So again take LHS. 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. 1 minus tan can be written as sin by cos. Maximum tan can be changed into ratio of sin and cos. Maximum in all problems. Now cot can be written as cos by sin. So here cot square, therefore cos square A by sin square A minus 1. Now 1 into cos square A minus sin square A by cos square A. Next, same thing in denominator. In denominator, cos square A minus sin square into 1. Sin square A by sin square A. So which is equal to numerator cos square A minus sin square A by cos square A into denominator reciprocal sin square by cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A get cancelled, which is equal to sin square A by cos square A, which can be written as sin A by cos A whole square. A square by B square can be written as A by B whole square. The ratio of sin and cos is nothing but tan. So tan square A, which is equal to RHS, proved. Next, fifth problem. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. Again take LHS. What is LHS? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta into cos theta. Cos square theta by cos theta. Trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 transpose sin square, cos square transpose cos square, then sin square theta is equal to 1 plus cos becomes minus minus cos square theta. Now instead of 1 minus cos square, substitute sin square theta by cos theta, which is sin theta. Numerator I am writing sin square theta is that sin theta into sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to sin theta into sin by cos is tan theta, which is equal to RHS. Next, sixth problem. Simplify secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. Simplification. Secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. First multiply with the secant. Secant into 1, secant A minus secant A into sin A into sin A, and here secant A plus tan A. Next, secant A minus sin A into next secant A minus sin A into secant, write secant as 1 by cos A, and here write this one same as it is, secant A plus tan A. Secant A minus sin theta into 1, sin A into 1, sin by cos. Sin A into 1 is sin by cos A into secant A plus tan A. By seeing this ratio, we can write tan, since tan is sin by cos, into secant A plus tan A, which is in the form of A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Here A is secant, secant square A, minus B is tan, tan square A. This is a direct identity which is equal to 1. Next, seventh problem. Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Again take LHS. LHS sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Simply it is in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square, expand A square sin square plus B square cosecant square plus 2AB, 2 sin into cosecant, plus again here A plus B whole square, A square cos square plus B square secant square plus 2AB, 2 cos A into secant A. Rearrange the terms, sin square A, and here cos square is there, right here cos square A. Next, plus cosecant square A plus secant square A. Here sin square, cosecant square, cos square, secant square terms are completed. Coming to here, sin and cosecant are reciprocals. Reciprocals get cancelled. Remaining is 2. Here cos and secant are reciprocals, get cancelled, plus 2. Sin square plus cos square is 1 plus cosecant square A plus secant square A plus 2, 4. 5 plus cosecant square A plus secant square A. From trigonometric identities, cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Here how to remember also I told in basics class. Here both are starting with C, but here 5 letters, here 2 letters. This is in alphabetical order. S, next T. From here onwards, cosecant square is equal to sin minus cot square to RHS. cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. And here secant square A is equal to transpose the tan square to RHS minus tan square becomes plus tan square. Now substitute here 5 plus cosecant A is equal to 1 plus cot square A plus secant square A 1 plus tan square A. 5 plus 1 plus 1 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next 8th problem. Simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. By seeing here it is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. What is a here? 1. 1 square is 1 minus b square cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. From trigonometric identity, 1 minus cos square can be written as sin square theta and 1 plus cot square theta can be written as cosecant square theta. Sin and cosecant are reciprocals which can get cancelled is equal to 1. Here we use sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From here onwards 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square theta. Coming to here cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. These identities we applied here. Next to 9th problem. Secant theta plus tan theta equal to P. Then find secant theta minus tan theta. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? Simply apply trigonometric identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. It is in the form of a square minus b square, which can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Here a is a secant and b is tan. A plus b into a minus b is equal to 1. Substitute secant plus tan is equal to P. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Transpose P to RHS. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to, here it is multiplying, which is equal to 1 by P. Next to last problem. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to K, then prove that cos theta equal to K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to K. Then we have to prove cos theta is equal to K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. Here take RHS. What is RHS? K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. Substitute the values. Instead of K, cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 by cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. Expand a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1 by denominator also cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2ab, 2 cosecant theta into cot theta plus 1. Here trigonometric identities, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. From here onwards cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta and cos square theta is equal to transpose minus cot square this side, then it will becomes 1 plus cot square theta. Now we will apply these identities. In numerator cosecant square minus 1 instead of cosecant square minus 1. cot square. Substitute cot square. Plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. Here in numerator cosecant square minus 1. I substituted cot square. By denominator cosecant square theta plus, instead of cot square we can write cosecant square theta minus 1 plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta plus 1. Now minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Cot square plus cot square. 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta by cosecant square plus cosecant square. 2 cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. Now in numerator 2 is common and cot is common. Take common 2 cot theta. In first term 2 cot theta, remaining is cot theta plus in second term 2 cot theta common taken, remaining term is cosecant theta by, in denominator both terms are having 2 cosecant theta. 2 cosecant theta as common, take out common and remaining here cosecant plus here 2 cosecant is common, remaining is cot. Now observe numerator and denominator cot theta plus cosecant theta, cot theta plus cosecant theta, cosecant theta plus cot theta, both get cancelled, 2 cancel, remaining cot theta by cosecant theta. Cot theta can be expressed as the ratio of cos and sin. Cos theta by sin theta by cosecant can be written as reciprocal of sin, 1 by sin, which is equal to cos theta by sin theta into denominator reciprocal. 1 by sin becomes sin by 1. Sin get cancelled, which is equal to cos theta. Here we take an RHS and we proved LHS. Hence proved. So this is a very important model. Okay students, trigonometry all exercises are completed. In this chapter, example sums are very important. Try to solve all example sums. In examination part, so many times they asked example sums. If you like my explanation, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.